Wattage of this appliance may vary depending on the location of use. Compact design with folding handle, great for travel or your gym bag, also includes worldwide dual voltage. Ionic Technology and 3x ceramic coating to reduce frizz and damage, care and cleaning, spot or wipe clean. 3 heat, 2 speed settings and cool shot button for maximum styling control. Smoothing concentrator attachment included. Dare to be new kinda bold with REVLON Hair Tools. Hot air styler comes with ceramic technology to style hair evenly without damaging hot spots and preserve your hair moisture. The curl release button allows the barrel to rotate to prevent tangles. There are 2 heat and speed settings including a cool setting. Kit includes a 1 and 1-1/2 interchangeable barrels with ceramic coating. Both great for styling all types of hair. Note: this unit will not dry your hair when fully wet, towel dry your hair before styling. Dare to go there with REVLON Hair Tools. Top reviews from the United States. Fast, powerful, and compact. This dries my hair very quickly and has more power than some of the bigger dryers. I've tried a lot, and this is the best at this price point.